Hi everybody, Giovanni here.
And Jaden.
Jaden, what are we making today?
We're making cheese pizza and pepperoni pizza.
Sweet. What do we need?
We need pizza crust mix, pepperoni, pizza sauce, shredded cheese, Italian seasoning, garlic, butter, and flour.
Alright, Jaden's going to be making the pizza. I'll be supervising, so let's begin. Alright, Jaden, let's begin with the dough. So let's see here. Preheat oven to 475. Check. Combine pizza crust with half a cup of hot tap water in mixing bowl. Alright, so let's cut this for you. There you go, put that in the bowl. I'll get a fork in the meantime.
Oh, because I open that one. Can you help me for a second?
Come on, man, use your muscles. There you go. See, that wasn't hard. Shake it.
Cheers.
Alright.
There.
Now put in half a cup of hot water. Just pour it in there. Mix it with the fork.
Oh, that kind of does look like that.
So it says form into a ball and grease with 1 teaspoon of oil.
Kind of looks like a smoothie.
So we're gonna grease, so that means you coat it. 1 teaspoon is this one. I'll do this for you. Or coat it. Like, yep, just cover it. Make sure it's all. And we'll rotate the ball and make it a ball. Just make it into a ball. Yep. Alright, it says cover and set in a warm place for 5 minutes. Alright, put it back in there. We're going to grab the towel and just cover it up. It says put in a warm place for 5 minutes. So the warm place is right here since the oven's on. Set timer. 5 minutos. Start. Alright, and we'll back when it finishes.
5 minutes later.
Alright, 5 minutes are up. We got our dough. Jaden, next is press dough evenly onto the bottom of the pan using greased hands. Pinch edges to form a rim. Okay, so let's, I want to roll out the dough first. So let's get some flour. Sprinkle it on here. Just a little bit. Alright, sprinkle some on here. Alright, some more. Alright, start rolling. Alright, so we rolled out our dough. We're using this pan. It says grease the pan, which we already did. The dough seemed a little small, so we're just going to make one pizza instead of two. So the next step is blah blah blah. Spread the pizza sauce. Jaden, pizza sauce. Alright, Jaden, make sure you leave some space for the crust so we could put the garlic butter around the crust, okay? So set maybe half an inch out. There you go.
Open this one.
Yeah, put it in the middle and then you start going through. Yep,
This?
yep, stop. Alright, now get the spoon and go around, and I'll put the butter in the microwave to melt. So while Jaden's doing that, we'll cut the, you want to put more sauce. Butter, about a, I don't know, tablespoon. Garlic. More.
How was that?
You can put more.
Okay.
And some Italian seasoning. And we're gonna pop it in the microwave for 45 seconds, maybe a minute. So it's melted.
I know.
You think that's enough sauce for you? Or you need more?
I can have like a little bit more.
It's your pizza.
Like around here.
Alright. Alright.
That was good.
Alright, that's good. Now it says add your toppings. So we'll obviously do the cheese first. Let's see if the butter's melted.
Yeah.
Use your hand.
Oh.
Pour it on. Sprinkle it on. A lot. Don't be gentle.
Okay.
Probably use almost the whole bag. Alright, while you do that, I'll grab the pepperoni slices and open it for you.
I like cheese.
More, make sure the sauce, cover the sauce with the cheese.
Okay. Oh yeah, around the edges.
some right here. Alright, now you go ahead and add your pepperoni. Scrub it off.
Oh, okay.
You're taking too long. There's nothing wrong with a lot of pepperoni. I'll get the brush.
The brush.
Mix this up. And you're gonna brush the edge.
Brush the edge.
Alright, add more. Cool. Keep on going. Add some more. Alright, add some more. Keep on going. Alright, let's take a quick peek. And we can pop this over here. Some more here. Some more here. A little more here. Alright, that looks good. Now it says bake on the lowest oven rack for 10 minutes until crust is golden brown. Alright, we'll pop this in the oven and see how it looks.
So this is our finished product of our pizza. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and also don't forget to hit the notification button so you never miss a video. And also comment what you'd like to do next.
You guys have a great day and enjoy.
Bye.